So here I have my collection of Autobot Ratchet from the first movie. So there are several versions. So you've got the Voyager limited edition one. It's like gold plated, if we can say so. It's quite nice vehicle here. Of course, you have the classic Voyager Ratchet, my favorite. You also have the fast action battlers Ratchet here. Less detailed, of course, but a nice vehicle. Then you've got the Cyber Slammer. It's some kind of toy for kids, but well, it's quite fun. Here. Then we have the Burger King Ratchet. So well, it's a toy that you can open and there's a little robot inside. But well, nice figure. Then we have the, actually it's the Quick one. I think it was made mostly for Europe. Not very detailed, but well, it's a Ratchet from the first movie. Then we have the Legend ones. It's quite nice. There's two versions, a dark green one and also this one, which is more light green. A nice little figure, and of course the best, it's also my favorite with the Voyager one, it's the RPM for robot powered machine. The details of the stickers on it, well, it's not even stickers, it's the paint, but it's really nice. I really love it. It's really perfect. A real nicely detailed figure. So well, you can find all of them on eBay. They're quite cheap most of the time because they're good quality, so you have a lot of choice in used ones. So well, here's my collection of Ratchet toys.